What's up, man? It's your boy Conscious Bruv here. How y'all doing? You know, I want to do something different today on my channel, but you know, I be cooking, so it's like, might as well show y'all why I'm cooking. So today we're gonna make a spinach egg roll. You know, we got the baby pre-washed baby spinach here. We got the Twin Dragon egg roll wrap with low sodium. I don't think it got no dairy in it. Yeah, there's no dairy in it. It says may contain egg. I don't usually get this one, I usually get the other one, but
that's what they had.
We got the olive oil, got right behind the camera. You know, right behind the camera. Got the, you know, olive oil. I got my turmeric. Oh, my phone. Turmeric. Garlic powder. Adobo seasoning. Let's go. You know, I was feeling a little Chinatown today. You know. You see I'm doing that. Look at that. Come on.
He's back up.
Come on. Let's get it. I'm too smooth with it. Too smooth. Anyways, I made these a couple. Like I saw. Okay, listen. I got this idea on TikTok. Okay. I was watching these TikToks, and this girl made a pizza roll. I'm saying, oh, she made a pizza roll. So I made a pizza roll, but I'm like, oh, let me try something new. Then I made a spinach wrap. So I'm like, oh, this is beast. You know. Yeah. So, I just throw my little thing on there right there, boom. Oh, my fault, I didn't even get my spatula. Hope you're having a nice, and I hope you're focusing on yourself and, you know, being happy, you know, not focusing on what's going on in the world. Even though it's hard not focusing on what's going on in the world, but, you know, at least try. Just try. I know it's tough, but just try. You know, focus on yourself, make sure you get to know yourself more and find out what's wrong with you. Because, you know, I know what's wrong with me. I mean, I be figuring it out, you know. Whenever this heart feels a certain way, you gotta find out what's on that heart. You know, let it out, or either find a way to remove it. So that's what I'm working on right now. So, anyways, let's eat. Let's sit on me. Let's eat. Okay, get the spinach now. Spinach. See, spinach. Like one thing about spinach is that when you cook it, it just shrinks. Like that's the weird part about spinach. When you cook spinach, it shrinks. So I kind of make a burger leaf, so I'm just leave this straight. So I'm gonna make a burger leaf. So when you cook spinach, it always shrinks. So you know, I'm just gonna cut it up. Before I season it, just cut it up. You know, you don't want the big leaves in there. You want it nice and cut up. You know. So everything just fits in there nicely. You don't want big leaves. If you have big leaves in there, it's gonna fit in there nicely. It's gonna be too big, it's gonna look sloppy, you know. So that's why I cut it up. It just makes for a better egg roll. Even though I never really made a roll, cause like I don't really ever stuff it enough where it's like a roll. So, but I'm gonna try today. I'm gonna try to make a good spinach egg roll for y'all today. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I'm doing my thing. I'm gonna try today. We're gonna actually try today for the sake of the video and for the sake of me actually wanting to try. We're gonna try. So now we get that. That's out the way. Now you open this. You open the egg roll wrap, alright? Use your teeth, you're a little short. Weird ass taste on it.
It's
It's like onions.
It's plastic, BJ.
No, it's just like onions.
No.
Like it's onions. Isn't that weird?
Wait, like your tongue tastes the egg roll?
No, it's like onions, right? Onions. Not actual onion.
Put
this on top. My fault, I get another plate now. Wet the corners so you can close it good. Just put it right there. I'm only making 3. This is my water, so I can just put it around the corner, put it in there, you know? So, I usually do other seasonings a little bit. I like my seasonings, so, you know. You get in there from your veggies. Apply my little seasonings on there. A little turmeric on there, you know, a little turmeric. One thing about this is like, I should have wet it first, because when you wet it, I should have wet it. Because when you wet it, it sticks to the thing more. Like the seasoning sticks to the freaking, you know what I mean? It sticks to the damn spinach. You know, so it's not that sticks. So even though they're not really dry, they're still kind of wet because they're pre-washed. So let's toss that salad. You know? joking. Let's toast that salad. Bro. You gotta toast that salad. This is salad. I'm toasting a salad. What's wrong with that? I can't toast a salad. This is a little salad. I'm just toasting it.
Yo.
What's wrong with you saying that, Raheem? I can't toast a salad?
No, bro.
Ow, I'm toasting, bro. I'm literally toasting a salad.
You could mix up a salad with 500
I'm toasting a salad, bro.
500 tossing up
I'm
the salads.
I toast salad. I'm a salad toaster, bro. That's what I do here.
Now you saying you're a salad tosser just makes it sound more pause.
You said what?
So you saying you're a salad tosser just makes it more pause.
I don't cook this thing down too much because I actually like keeping the juices in there. Like, and you see how they already like mad small, right? It's not enough to put it in two. It's like one wrap right here. Look at this. It's like one wrap. It's already. See how it shrunk so much, right?
Yeah.
It's like it went from a lot of shit to like for one wrap. So maybe I should make one wrap. Place it down. This is damn near done cooking, so I don't like cooking it too much because it's like I like keeping the juices in there, so I cook it a little bit, not like super duper cook it, where it's like where it's like you can't. It's no nutrients. I like keeping the nutrients. When you cook certain stuff down, the nutrients releases, so I like keeping the juices, so I cook it down a little bit so not a lot of juice seeps out. You need all that nutrients, all that juice on it. Amazing, Here we go. Let's put it in the middle. It's amazing. Then we're gonna fold it. We're gonna roll it up like this. Oh damn, I'm not doing it right.
With the corners, I was about to say.
Yeah, get your water, my fault. Get it right, get it right, bro. Gotta wet them corners, man. Them corners, man. Wet them corners, man. Them corners, man. You know? And now is where the rolling begins. This is where the rolling begins. There we go. And you just
Twist it.
Just close this top part right there. And just close the bottom part right there. This is my first time doing this, right? You know, right? Making an Aggro.
Sure?
Yeah. There we go. There you go. You know? And you just fry it.
I didn't get the sizzle he wanted.
Yeah, it didn't even sizzle like. I don't know what was sizzle like. I dropped it and it said. What's it? There we go. Well, I guess I'm gonna make one today. I'm gonna make one spinach Aggro wrap. This video is called "How to Make One Aggro Wrap." Cause I want to save my spinach. I want to make a burger later. So let's not even do too much, But this is how I make it. If y'all ever wanted to know how to make a spinach Aggro wrap, I'm showing you. Like you probably didn't like say like, yo, today I want an Aggro wrap. I didn't say that, but like it's okay because I'm just showing you how to do it. Just cause I feel like I'm a nice guy, it's good content to teach you about how to make stuff you want to make. So this is it's my Aggro right here. I gotta give it that fried look. Some more olive on it. I don't know, my olive oil one like disappear. Little drop. Using my hands, I'll just do that.
These gangster like that. No, because he's
where's my sizzle at? It wasn't even on. It was on, but it wasn't on. So that's why it wasn't.
Yo.
You feel me? It wasn't on. I'm using my hand just because I feel like doing that. Like I said. Okay, just gonna wait. Give that about 5-10 minutes. It should be good. So I'll be back when it's done. Okay, so I think this is pretty good right here. Looks pretty tasty to me. This is my spinach egg roll. See how it's rolling?
Look like a triangle, not even gonna lie to you.
A triangle roll, right? It's not the egg, it's like a triangle roll.
It's not even an egg roll. It's not even a roll. It's a spinach triangle.
This is my spinach
Triangle
roll. Right? Okay. We'll try it now. You wanna try it after? You should try it. You try it.
It's hot, right?
Working this time, can I have it? No.
Wanna bite? Sure.
I'm good, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Want me to do your outro for you?
Yeah.
Got you. So, this is the end of the video. Well, his mouth is practically on fire right now, so.
I'll do it.
You gonna do it?
It's your boy Conscious, bro. You know, hope you heard this video. A little, you know, spinach egg roll or whatever it's supposed to be. You know, I tried something new. We just trying out here. We trying, you know. Hope you enjoyed it. Cheers. I'm out.